Hello and welcome to the Culinary Exchange. My name is Matthew, and in this video we're making a no-roll pie crust. To make a no-roll pie crust, I have a medium bowl. In it I have 2 cups of flour, and to it I'm going to add a tablespoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and a half teaspoon of baking powder. Just give that a mix. I have 3 ounces of melted butter, and to it I'm going to add an egg and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Or we'll just whip this up. To my flour mixture, I'm going to stir in my butter and egg mixture. Let this fully moistened. I'm going to add water 1 tablespoon at a time until it comes together. I have a 9-inch pie crust, and to it I'm going to add my pie dough. And with my fingers, I'm just going to spread it into the pan. I'm going to use a fresh pumpkin. First thing I'm going to do is just cut it in half, and then with a spoon, I'm going to scrape out the seeds. I have a baking tray that I've sprayed with some non-stick spray. I've placed my pumpkins on it, cut side down, and these are ready to roast. To make the filling for our pumpkin pie, I have 3 eggs in a large bowl, and to it I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of sugar, a half a cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, a tablespoon of our pumpkin spice blend. With my hand mixer, I'm just going to whip this up. To this I'm going to add a half a cup of cream, 1/4 cup of milk, a pinch of salt, and a pound of our roasted pumpkin. Whip this together. I have our no-roll pie crust. I'm just going to pour the filling right in. And this is ready to bake. My pumpkin pie is just out of the oven, and the crust has gotten nice and golden, and the pumpkin is cooked up nicely. If you tap it, there's a slight wiggle in the center. That's exactly what we want. Our pumpkin pie is nice and cool, and you can see it's cracked on the top. I should have taken the pie out just a few minutes earlier than I did, but I'm not worried about it. That's why we have whipped cream. To make the whipped cream, I have a cup of whipping cream, a teaspoon of vanilla, and 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. And with my hand mixer, I'm going to whip it up. I have a piece of our pumpkin pie. Let's give it a taste. Nice and pumpkiny. The sweetness of the pumpkin really comes out, and that hint of cinnamon and clove from that pumpkin spice blend is very nice. The whipped cream is always welcome. The no-roll crust, nice and tender. Got a little crunch to it too. And there you have it. Well, that's how you make pumpkin pie. Hey, for more great recipes and cooking tips, come visit us at theculinaryexchange.com. I'm Matthew. Thanks for watching.